before you click buy on another prop firm evaluation reset. You need to hear this. Most traders are caught in a reset cycle that has nothing to do with their strategy and everything to do with their math. You pass an eval, you feel the rush, and then you blow the funded account a week later. Why? Because you're treating that account like a lottery ticket. You're maxing out your leverage, you're praying for a home run, and you're letting your emotions drive the bus. But the market doesn't reward hope. It rewards structure. If you're tired of the reset loop, you don't need a secret algorithm. You need a framework that respects the mathematical reality of trading. Let's talk about the power of one. Why is trading a single contract the ultimate psychological cheat code for staying calm? It's simple, emotional capital. Every time you trade a size that's too big for your experience level, your brain flips into survival mode. You start fiddling with your stops. You exit winners too early because you're scared to lose the profit. You freeze when you should execute. When you commit to the one contract framework, you remove the noise. You protect your peace of mind, which allows you to actually follow your plan. Discipline isn't a personality trait. It's a byproduct of a simplified environment. Now let's look at the math. A lot of online traders will show you 20 contract positions and 90% win rates. That isn't reality for most of us. In my ebook, I introduced the 1-to-1 plus framework. This is a math-driven approach designed to work even if you only have a 50% win rate. We focus on fixed structures where your winners have the mathematical potential to outpace your losers, even on your worst days. We aren't looking for unicorns or home runs. We are looking for a professional edge. This framework works with the drawdown rules of top-tier funding companies because it's built on protecting the downside first. A lot of traders will spend hundreds, even thousands, on resets without ever changing their approach. They're essentially paying a gambling tax to the prop firms. For a tiny fraction of a single reset fee, literally less than one tick on the ES, you can stop the bleed. My ebook, Futures Trading with One Contract, gives you the KISS guide to keeping it simple. We cover the loss guardrail to protect your daily limits, the scaling roadmap for when you're ready to grow, and ATM automation so you can stop micromanaging every tick. Don't pay for another evaluation until you read this. Head to the link on your screen, grab the framework, and start trading like a professional. Keep it simple. Manage the risk. Let the math do the work. And good luck in your trading.